here today to celebrate another great moment in Highett Common's history, topping out the North Lane building.
Sunkin team as a builder developer, we've shown a lot of commitment in this industry, in this space, and there's a lot of progress for the last year.
Great project, a great location. Highett Common clearly is a project that is very exciting because it's master planned, it's in a city and they're hard to come by. So yeah, chuffed to be working on this project with the team.
Thank you all very much for coming. I hope you enjoy the presentations and the tour of the properties. Thank you.